When we find on postural examination that the client has an iliac crest that's higher on one side than the other, or we could say lower on one side than the other, there are a number of reasons that this can occur. So Tina, would you simulate the left iliac crest being high, the right one being low? Let's look muscularly first. The pelvis can be moved by musculature from the trunk or from musculature from the hip joint. Looking at the trunk first, left lateral flexion musculature, such as the left quadratus lumborum or paraspinal musculature, if it's tight, would pull the iliac crest up on that side into elevation. Relax for a sec. Come on back up. Tight adductor musculature at the hip joint on the same side would also pull the iliac crest up on that side, and that could be the reason. Relax on down. Okay, again. Or perhaps it's that the right side is low. The right iliac crest could be pulled down into depression, or what's called lateral tilt, by hip AB, hip abductor musculature, such as gluteus medius, minimus, upper fibers of gluteus maximus, TFL sartorius. Okay, relax back. Now there are other reasons, such as structural skeletal reasons. If she has perhaps a genu valgum on the right side or a hyperpronation, collapsed arch on the right, that would also drop the pelvis down on that side. So there are two other possible explanations for an unlevel iliac crest. Back to a healthy posture. One other structural reason could be a scoliotic curve. Can you do your simulation again? A scoliotic curve could occur pulling up on the iliac crest on that side. Although it's worth mentioning that very often it's not the scoliotic curve that causes the high iliac crest. Rather, it's the high iliac crest that causes the compensatory scoliotic curve. And back to a healthy posture. So when we find that our client has unlevel iliac crests, we need to then rule in or rule out each of the possible causes so that we then know the mechanism that's causing this postural distortion pattern, so we can then treat the cause to try and improve the client's condition.